Alright, so I'm going to attempt to saw a log that is bigger than my sawmill. I've only got a 23-inch opening here from side to side. And this log here is 26 by 30 this way, and my saw will only go up 22 inches. The opening gets up to 30, but anyway, we'll see how this goes. Oh my earmuffs. So there you have it. I've got a 30-inch log by 26 wide, and my LX25 only gets 23 inches wide, so I have to whittle away on it in order just to get it to where I can cut boards. But as you can see, if I can get it just right and then work it, you can make just start whittling away at it, and that's what I'm going to do here. So let me get this flipped over and I'll make another cut. So I've got it flipped over on the 90 here. My opening is 23 inches. This gives me a little bit more than 23 inches on the large side, so this is actually going to work. But then I made a mistake. I left my saw on that side instead of bringing it back first. So now I'm going to have to take my chainsaw and cut off a few inches across the top here, just so I can get the saw back here. So let me go ahead and do that real quick here. Well, I got the new Husqvarna power axe, and anyway, it's a battery powered, and it's down to about a half a bar of battery life, so I'm gonna have to charge it back up. I don't have an extra battery, so I think what I'll do is I'll take the saw blade off and then put it back on. That'll get me back over here. Alright, the battery's completely dead. Whew. Okay. But I think it may have just got me what I needed to do in order to get this saw blade all over here. Alright. So then, just have to tighten it back up again, and we're good to saw. Alright. Alright, so get the saw blade back tight, start the motor back up. Oh, got to turn it on. Alright, so I want to get 1-inch board, so I'm going to drop it down to 21.5. Make my next cut. So it's not easy manipulating the log, it's heavier than you are. Alright, let me drop this down. Straight edge. There. I'm going to bring my brace in a little bit. Alright, cut it again. Alright, now that I got it to 16 inches, I'm going to flip it one more time and we'll start making 16-inch wide boards. I'm going to square up the material at 17 inches first, and then I'll go down to 16. So that's how you mill up a 30 by 26 inch log. And as you can see here, now it is a 16 by 16 inch log that I can make boards for whatever I want to make out of it. We're making picnic tables today out of this wood. This is Pacific Red Alder, and pretty old piece of wood. It's a hardwood, but it's kind of soft for hardwood, on the softer side of hardwood. So thanks for watching.